Paying your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online in Canada is incredibly simple and convenient, and today we'll walk you through the easiest ways to do it. Your primary options are through your online banking portal, directly on the Mastercard website, or via a dedicated mobile app. First, let's look at online banking. Log into your personal online banking account just as you would for any other bill payment. Navigate to the bill payment or transfer section. You'll need to add Walmart Rewards Mastercard as a new payee if you haven't already. Search for Walmart Rewards Mastercard or MBNA Mastercard, as MBNA often issues these cards. Enter your full 16-digit Walmart Rewards Mastercard account number. Then input the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum, a specific amount, or your full balance. Review your payment details carefully and confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation reference number, so make sure to save it. Next up, paying directly on the Mastercard website. This is often the most direct method. Open your web browser and go to the official Walmart Rewards Mastercard website, usually managed by MBNA. Log into your account using your registered username and password. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to register for online access first. Once logged in, locate the Make a Payment or Pay My Bill option. This is usually very prominent on your account summary page. Select your preferred payment method, typically linking your bank account through a transit and institution number, or sometimes even using a debit card. Enter the payment amount and confirm. Finally, the mobile app. Many find this the quickest on-the-go option. Download the official Mastercard or MBNA mobile app from your device's app store. Log into the app, usually with the same credentials as the website. Navigate to the payments section, then simply follow the prompts to enter your payment details and finalize the transaction. Whichever method you choose, paying your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online is secure, efficient, and saves you valuable time. Happy spending!